This is Kim with Pdx Hair Extensions. I'm going to do a little tutorial about how we do hair extensions. This is the before and after, and in the pictures you're going to see later, you'll see how we do them. So this is halfway up the head. If you notice, one side has the extensions, the other side doesn't. That was to show the blend. These are the colors that we use. There's multiple colors we choose. In her case, we have a solid dark blonde with two different blends of blondes that we're putting into her hair, as you're gonna start seeing that come together. We actually chose not to do the color in the middle of her hair so that we could use the extensions to create the color instead, so that the health of her hair could be saved and she could start growing out her hair. So this is the three colors being used, but it's a perfect blend. This is where we pull the hair down to show that it's perfectly blending. And this is the next row. And this is the next row after that, but still showing the blend. And we're going a little higher on her, just showing you the different colors. Again, pulling the hair down. Getting closer to the top with this one. So as you can see, we're really high on the head, and now we're starting to put the extensions in so they're flatter at the top, and still the blend is perfect. And as we pull her hair down, I've decided I'm going to put a little bit more up to the top because I don't want her to have a line. So that's what that was for. And now you're starting to not see any lines. And here we are starting on the sides and then pulling the hair down. You can't see the extensions because there's some pretty quick clips doing that. And then starting on the other side, the same thing. And as I get to the top of this side, this is where her part comes over. I decided to put a little more extensions at the top. And this is the final look. And these are the colors that we used. So we used one solid color for that area to make the root seamless. And then we used this color, which is a darker blonde with a light blonde, a darker brown with a light blonde. And then this one is more of a honey blonde, so we wanted to create a lot of depth, and that's another blend. And we create all these colors. And this is the final look. Hope to see you at Pdx Hair Extensions. Take care.